Olá, bem-vindo ao Café com Inglês. Nesse vídeo, Rick e Lily estão nos Estados Unidos para assistir a um jogo muito especial da Copa do Mundo, Brasil contra a Argentina. Mas antes de torcer pelo Brasil, eles precisam chegar ao estádio, pedir informações, comprar comida e bebida e depois acompanhar o jogo em inglês, com frases simples e muito úteis para quem está aprendendo. Hoje você vai praticar inglês para situações reais. Assista com calma, escute as frases e aproveite a história. Você não precisa entender tudo de primeira. Pouco a pouco, seu inglês vai melhorando. Agora, vamos acompanhar Rick e Lily.
We are finally here, Lily. The United States.
I know. I still can't believe it.
And today is not just a normal day.
Today is Brazil versus Argentina.
Exactly. Brazil versus Argentina in the World Cup.
Rick, we need to get to the stadium first.
Yes, good point.
Do you know where the stadium is?
Not exactly.
Rick?
But don't worry. We can ask someone. Excuse me.
Yes, how can I help you?
How do we get to the stadium?
The stadium is not far from here.
Oh, great.
Go straight for 2 blocks.
Then turn left.
Go straight and then turn left.
Yes. After that, take the blue train.
The blue train?
Yes, the blue train goes directly to the stadium.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy the game.
Thank you.
Rick, there are so many people wearing Brazil shirts.
Yes, Brazil fans are everywhere.
And look, Argentina fans too.
This game is going to be intense.
Are you nervous?
A little. Brazil versus Argentina is always special.
I'm excited.
Me too. Very excited.
Wow.
This stadium is huge.
And it's so loud.
That's the World Cup.
I can hear people singing.
Brazil fans are singing already.
I love this energy.
Me too. But first, I need food.
Of course you do.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Can I have a hot dog, please?
Sure. Anything to drink?
Yes, I'd like a soda, please.
And I'd like a bottle of water, please.
1 hot dog, 1 soda, and 1 bottle of water. Is this?
Yes, please.
How much is it?
That's $20.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Great, thank you.
Enjoy the game.
Rick, in the United States, do people say football or soccer?
Good question. In the United States, many people say soccer.
So this is a soccer game here.
Yes, but for us, it's football.
Football sounds better.
I agree.
The game is starting.
Come on, Brazil.
Come on, Brazil! The crowd is loud.
Yes, the fans are chanting.
Brazil has the ball.
Where is the ball?
There, look at the player in yellow.
Oh, I see it now.
Pass the ball.
Pass the ball! Pass the ball!
Shoot! Shoot!
Shoot! Shoot!
Ooh, that was close.
Oh, man, that was very close.
Corner kick for Brazil.
Corner kick for Brazil.
The ball is coming.
Header!
Oh, what a save!
What a save!
The goalkeeper saved it.
Argentina has the ball now.
Yes, Brazil needs to defend.
Careful, Brazil. Careful, Brazil.
Good defense.
The ball went out.
Yes, throw in for Brazil.
Throw in for Brazil.
Quick, quick.
Go Brazil! Go Brazil!
Wait, the referee is calling a foul.
A foul?
Yes, free kick for Brazil.
What happened? A foul?
Yes, free kick for Brazil.
Okay, Free kick for Brazil.
Wait, Brazil is attacking.
The fans are standing up.
This is dangerous.
Come on, Brazil. Come on, Brazil.
Pass the ball.
Shoot! Shoot!
Goal!
Go!
What a goal!
What a goal!
Brazil scored.
Brazil scored the first goal.
Yes, it's 1-0 for Brazil.
1-0 for Brazil. Rick, Argentina is attacking again.
Yes, but Brazil is defending well.
Oh, that was a foul.
Yes, the referee saw it.
Free kick for Brazil.
Yes, free kick for Brazil.
Come on, come on.
The crowd is singing again.
Good pass.
Brazil has space.
Shoot, shoot.
Go!
Brazil scored again.
It's 2-0.
I'm very happy.
Rick, the stadium is shaking.
The fans are very happy.
Brazil is playing very well today.
For sure. The game is over.
It's over. Brazil won.
Brazil won 2-0.
Against Argentina.
That was a big game.
And a beautiful day.
For sure. We asked for directions. We did a lot of things today.
We bought food and drinks.
We watched the game.
And Brazil won.
What a day.
E chegamos ao final de mais uma história aqui no Café com Inglês. Hoje, você acompanhou Rick e Lily nos Estados Unidos, em um dia muito especial de Copa do Mundo. Eles pediram informações para chegar ao estádio, compraram comida e bebida, assistiram a Brasil contra a Argentina, torceram em inglês e viram o Brasil vencer por 2-0. Durante a história, você praticou frases simples para situações reais, como pedir direções, comprar um cachorro-quente, falar sobre o jogo e torcer em inglês. Também escutou expressões muito comuns no futebol, como corner kick, throw-in, free kick, goal kick, what a goal, what a save e come on, Brazil. Se você conseguiu entender algumas frases hoje, isso já é progresso. Não se preocupem em entender tudo de primeira. O mais importante é continuar ouvindo, repetindo e praticando um pouco todos os dias. Se este vídeo te ajudou, deixe seu like, inscreva-se no canal e continue aprendendo inglês com histórias simples, confortáveis e reais. Obrigado por assistir até aqui. Nos vemos no próximo vídeo. See you next time.